pads. So Pulvini anguicularis by the claw, Pulvini tarsalis is the big one, and then Pulvini digitalis is the ones on the digits, and then the skin where the claws are joint, so where they're basically webbed, is the tela interdigitalis. So you've got the liver, that's the gallbladder.
The light is great.
This is the stomach, so the stomach's in two parts, the proventriculus and the ventriculus. That's the spleen. So you got the duodenum, which has got the pancreas in the middle. You can kind of see that inside. Duodenum. And then the duodenum is characteristic, as always, with the coils.
Yeah.
And it goes into the ileum, which is the straight, narrow part. And then the cecum's got two.
Oh, yeah. Where is it?
Here, you can kind of...
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so one, and then two.
Okay.
And then that goes into the rectum, and then it goes down into the cloaca. You see it better in here.
Yeah.
This is the rectum, the straight tube, and then the bulbous end is the cloaca. And then you got the testes, ductus, epididymis, the lungs. Oh, this is the syrinx. Yeah. And then up here you got the trachea, and then to the other side of it is the esophagus, somewhere on there. And the crop, and then here is the meatus acousticus.
External.
No, it's the external meatus, is it?
It's porous.
Porus acousticus externus. The pallia, and then the Crista carinosa. Yeah. And the what? Lobuli auricularis. There.
So inside the mouth? No.
And then inside the mouth. Oh, and the kidneys is located on the, like, basically the roof of the abdominal cavity.
See, it's there. It's the gallbladder. It's behind the testes here.
There.
Dark one. It's dark coloured, like blood coloured.
Basically sitting on the top. And then inside the mouth.
Yeah.
You
have
Coronae
one.
at the
Yeah.
top.
There's only one of them.
Coronae, and then there's a hole at the bottom, but I don't know the name.
You can like see it.
Rima
How I let him focus.
Rima something. Check with the book on that one. Okay.
Yeah, we'll look at that.